Hi guys, and welcome to Total Technik. Today we're working on the Audi A4, S4 and RS4, B6 and B7 platforms. And we're going to be showing you how to remove the yaw sensor. So let's do it. So as you can see in this car, we've removed the decorative gear stick surround, and we've also removed the front ashtray. I've already filmed videos on how to remove both of those. We'll add links for you below this video, so you can just scroll down and get some information on how to remove those if you're unsure on how to do it. However, one thing that we must point out at this stage is obviously we've removed the full gearbox assembly. As you see, the gear stick and the whole assembly is missing. That's because we've just finished filming an engine removal video on this particular car. So all that's been dropped out. So usually you have quite a big clunky box in here with obviously a gear stick sticking up, and also you'll have a metal bracket in here. So you'll find it next to impossible to actually get down and access it. You know, I can put my finger in and I can touch the head of those nuts, but with everything in here, you know, it's highly unlikely that you wouldn't be able to do that. You would be able to do that. So you can look at that yourself. You can get it to this stage, just pop those two out and have a look, see if you think you can manage it. But the more kind of traditional way of gaining the access is to drop off your sat nav or your stereo unit from the top, and then to drop your heater control panel out as well, and in addition to your front ashtray and your gear stick surround. That's going to give you all the access that you're going to need to pop that unit out. Again, we've already filmed videos on how to remove both the sat nav or your stereo unit, and also on how to remove the heater control panels, and likewise we'll add links for those as well, so you can literally get that fully stripped out, and that's going to give you more than enough access to that little yaw sensor at the bottom. I'm not going to show you how to remove the yaw sensor because it's literally two nuts, two size 10s. The key to it is getting the access first. So that's what you need to do, guys. I hope this video has been useful for you, and we'll see you on the next one.